Hey guys, welcome back to the Furtado Group. I'm Ruben Furtado, and today I want to talk to you about a recent post that we put on Instagram. On October 17th, there was actually a press release talking about how the Canadian mortgage lending policies are going to change, and it's going to be effective January 1st, 2018. And we had a poll at the very end, and some of our followers were asking for more information. So this is for you guys, and this is why I like YouTube. It allows us to actually get deeper with some more information that you guys are looking for. So the post had to do with the recent announcement that was done on October 17th of this year regarding the mortgage lending rules changing. And those changes are going to be effective January 1st, 2018. So what we talked about is, what were the rules? Well, the rules are, if somebody was getting an uninsured mortgage, putting more than 20% down, doesn't matter what interest rate they were getting from the bank, so if the bank was committing to an interest rate, the bank was now going to tack on another 2%, figure out what your payment is, and you needed to qualify based on that. So what that meant really was that people are going to actually qualify for a smaller mortgage. And then people who are going to be buying for the first time may not be able to qualify for a mortgage that'll be sufficient to even buy a house. So they may even be now completely out of the marketplace entirely. So what I was also talking about, and this is what other people want more information, is how is this going to affect the market? And it really is in two ways. So the first is, I think immediately what are we going to see? Well, we're seeing it already. It's the amount of activity. So now it's becoming a seller's market because all these people who are thinking of buying don't want to wait till January 1st, 2018. They're buying now. And I have proof to actually back it up. I look at the market on a regular basis, and I'll look at different boards. And in this case, I'll just give you an example of the Oakville board because the trend's pretty much the same. On the Oakville board, I look in the last 7 days, I look at how many listings came out, and I look at how many sales there were. 65% of what came out sold. That's crazy, because before we were lucky if it was even 30%. So this announcement has literally got people out there, active buyers buying now. So if you're a seller, here's how it's gonna, number two, is if you're a seller, you want to get your property on the market a lot faster and probably not wait till January. Doesn't mean that the market's gonna be bad come next spring, I'll talk about that in a second, but right now you wanna take advantage of this really hotter market as a result of this. The other thing that's also equally important is now come January 1st, 2018, everybody's asking, well, is this going to slow it down? Is the market going to fall off a cliff? And here's my personal belief. I think right now there's so many buyers out there that have been waiting on the sidelines, and they're still waiting. And they're waiting to see if the market's going to crash. They're waiting to see if the interest rates are going to go up. All these different things. I think they're still going to be there. And when the market doesn't come to a collapse, they're going to want to buy. So the spring market, which is normally really good, might be tempered with some of this news, but it's still going to be pretty decent. So I don't think you're going to see any kind of crash. That's only my opinion. And you know what? I hope this information helps. If you guys like this information, be sure to hit the like button. If you have questions or comments or want us to talk about other topics, put it in the comment section below. And if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. And until next time, take care.